Hi, I'm Michael from Unagi. I'm going to show you 3 of my favorite pro tips for setting up your Unagi electric scooter. Pro tip number 1, attaching your handlebar. When you take your Unagi out of the box, you're going to see this long cable sticking out of the top of the stem. First, connect this to your handlebar cable on the other side. Now you're going to have the urge to want to just shove this down in there, but here's the pro tip. Come down to the bottom, and the cable's coming out the bottom of the stem, and pull this down as you're attaching the handlebar. That way you're not pinching the cable, and it's much easier. And then once you're done, kind of push some of that cable right back in there, just like that, and it kind of keeps it nice and tidy and not too much cable sticking out. Perfect. Pro tip number 2, let's talk about your control panel. If you have the E450 dual motor Unagi scooter, this is for you. To make sure that you're in dual motor mode and getting the most out of your Unagi, look for this little icon right here. This means you're in dual motor mode. You can actually switch this off and run single motor by hitting the power button twice. Now you're in single motor mode, switch it back to dual. Here's another interesting feature on the Unagi electric scooter. You can actually switch between miles per hour and to kilometers per hour just by holding these 2 function buttons. So now you're in kilometers, or if your preference is miles, you can switch right back. Pro tip number 3, we get a lot of questions about locking the Unagi scooter. Here's what I do. I have this kryptonite U-lock. You're going to want a U-lock of similar size, maybe about 10 inches long. And once you have this unlocked, you actually just take this U-lock right over the deck, lock it to a bike rack, and just like that, your scooter's locked. You're not going to be able to get it over the front wheel, you're not going to be able to get it over the rear wheel, so you're good to go.